Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to charge the battery on this watch. To charge the battery on this watch you will need two things. You will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch, that looks like this. And also you will need some kind of power source. For example, I'm gonna use this power brick. And as you can see, the brick is USB-A, so I'm gonna use this dongle to basically make my USB-C go into a USB-A. But usually you will need the USB-C brick or USB-C port on a computer and simply plug the charger into that port. I don't recommend to use the dongles for that stuff. Okay, and once you have the cable and the power source, you need to plug in the this end of the cable to the power source. So I'm gonna plug it in with the dongle. I just don't recommend to use this dongle. Okay, then you need to plug the brick, for example, to the wall like that. And now you need to take this magnetic end of the charger and basically just place your watch on it. And once you place your watch on the charger, it will start charging. And that's how it looks like. As you can see, there is this nightstand mode turned on when you're charging the watch. You can turn it off in settings if you want to. And once you're done charging your watch, you can basically pick it up from the charger like that. And that's how you charge the battery on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.